That's amazing. All of those birds. It sounded like it was raining. It was just a lot of birds flying over. Wow. Wow. Those were a lot of birds. Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is January the 2nd, 2019. Happy New Year's everyone. I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and you're now having a Happy New Year. I took a little vacation, decided to get out a little while, get out of Texas for a little while. I'm up here in Illinois and it's morning time and just watching these birds fly over. As you can see, it's been a lot of birds flying over on this morning. It's around about, I'd say about 8:40, and you can see all these birds fly over early in the morning here. It's not, the weather is, well, it's nice and cool. It's not too cold. It has been cold and it's been raining a lot, but today's about the best day for me to get out. Other times it was just can I say, y'all, it's been raining a lot, and couldn't really get out, ride around a little bit. But like I said, I'm up here this morning checking out all these birds flying over. See, it's a lot of birds. I just, wow, a lot of them. Now that's something amazing there. I don't know where these birds are going, but it's a lot of them. In the morning time, they would fly over. I would think that it was raining. There would be so many of them every morning, just flying, swooping. And I was like, what in the world? Look out the window, I don't see nothing. And come outside and you see all these birds here just flying over. Yeah. I mean, it's a lot. This here is just some of them, but earlier it was, woof, a swarm of them. It was like raining birds. I don't know where these birds are coming from, but as you can see, I don't know if you can still see them far away. They're still coming, and they'll go off in the sky and disappear, and then next minute they will reappear again. Yeah, but the weather's been, like I say, this is about the best day of all, because it's it has been real cold up here. Hopefully I can get back home safely. I'm finna head out here in a few minutes. Finna say goodbye. Enjoyed my stay up this way, but got to get on the road. Okay, y'all, just stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care, and today is January the 3rd, 2019. And I made it back this morning. It was a good trip. It was long, but it was a long drive. Anyway, I made it back. And when I came back, this is what I was faced with. All of this here, you can see the way everything looks out here. It's raining, and I was told it's been raining the whole time. It started well, for the New Year's it was raining here, but I was in another state, and well, it didn't rain New Year's Day, but it was cold there. Anyway, I'm glad to get back. Got to get ready for this year here. Got a lot of things I plan to do this year. Last year, it was a good year. Worked a lot. Had a lot of good income for 2018. Which was enough to carry me over here for 2019. But I just hope 2019 be a good year. But you never know. You never know due to the weather fact of when it's raining and all. You just don't know. It's a lot of rain. So it's a lot of uncertainties, you know. Hopefully the rain will dry up and things will get back to a normal state here. But anyway, y'all, I just want to say I had to get away. Took a little vacation. Yeah, I took a little time off just to get away from the same old rigmarole, the same old, you know, mowing, cleaning up yards, leaves. And matter of fact, I did get a call on New Year's. Someone called me talking about they miss me. Talking about, when can you come and clean my yard? Oh boy. Like I was just waiting to hear from them to come and clean their yard up. Had a bunch of leaves. I was like, no. I wasn't ready to go back and do no leaves jobs. But anyway, you know, it was still good to hear from them. But got a lot of things I'm working on this year, plan to change, and I'll see how this year goes. I don't know yet. Don't know. Just got a lot of things I'm gonna change and doing in my business here. You know, it's time to clean house, as I say. You know, and I do that every year. You know, just some things you may not want to do, and it's gonna be some things you don't mind doing, and as I say, some things you don't want to do, and you're just not going to do it. Just don't do it. And that's what I'm choosing to do. Just don't do it. And matter of fact, there was some like that last year that I did. I didn't want to do them, so I didn't do them. Because it wasn't a good feasible for me. You know, it's just, some things are not feasible, so you just don't do it. You know, why waste time if it's not going to benefit you? And that's what I plan on doing this year. If it's not feasible for me, not going to do it. It's 2019. Got to start the year out right. Anyway, I just wanted to say hi to everyone out there. Let you know that I haven't dropped out. I've just been taking a little time from doing some videos here, because I've been doing a little traveling, a little getting out here and there. A little, you know, you have to do that every now and then. You just get away from this same old rigmarole, you know, mowing yards. You have to get away from that from time to time and just go out and see other parts of the world and see what's going on, because this here lawn care is good, but that can get kind of tedious at times. So Y'all just kind of get away. But anyway, y'all, let me get in here. I got some more work to do today. And like I say, got to get the new year started out. Got to put everything in a perspective matter so that hopefully this will be a good, prosperous year. Yep. But stay tuned, because guess what, y'all? As the year go, I'm gonna carry on my lawn care journey for 2019. So get ready for some more videos in 2019. And if you like, you can subscribe to the channel, because that's a YouTube thing. YouTube be wanting you to have subscribers and building your channel. I understand. And that's why sometimes I just put it on there, because I done went through all that stuff there with the YouTube, looking through it, and it's like YouTube wants you to build your channel, wants you to grow your channel. So if the channel continues to grow, you know, and I understand by having subscribers, trying to get X amount of subscribers and views and all that, you know. And so I'm like, okay, I'll go on and try to do the YouTube thing, as they say, more subscribers and producing more videos and all of that. I'll try that. I'll keep trying it. I think what it was. Oh, yeah, you get so many, and I look at that whole thing, the analytics were that you had X amount of subscribers, X amount of people subscribe, X amount of people unsubscribe, which is good. I mean, you know, it's just a reference point, as if you was reading a book and you had a chapter and you put a marker there, then you can always go back and refresh your memory on that chapter in that book. And that's kind of what YouTube is. You can go back and refresh your memory on that mark. So sometimes you might just miss some of the good content that may come out that can help you in whatever your endurance is, you know. And that's the part about just sharing a video, you know. It gives you knowledge of how to do some things, or what someone else is doing, and you may be, you know, I can do that. And you may say, you know what, I'm gonna do it. You may inspire yourself to say, well, you know, I want to do some videos. You'll do some videos. And or you want to start a business, and you may go through YouTube and see a lot of people have done it and was successful at it, and you may say, well, you know what, I'm gonna try it and see if I be successful. And you may be just that, very successful in doing it. And I mean, some come along and some try things and they may not work out, it may fail. But that's part of life. If you fail, then that just tells you to go back and check what you was doing to correct the problem, to make it better. You know, if you fail at one thing, you may succeed in another. That may not be for you. And it's kind of like lawn care. It's not for everyone. A lot of people say, oh, I want to do lawn care, I want to do this. Are you doing it for the right reasons? Don't do it for the money. Do it because you like doing it. You have a passion for doing that type of work. And I mean, the money will come with it, but sometimes people think, oh, that's a quick way to get in there and make a lot of money. It may not work out. Trust me, this may not work out. A lot of things we get into and don't work out just for some unknown reason, you know. But make sure it's something that you like and you have a passion for, and it will work out because you're going to be really good at it, because that's what you like doing. You know, you enjoy doing it. And if you enjoy something, then you're going to do good at it. But if you don't enjoy it, no. You just, it's going to be one problem after another. It's just going to be, oh, I don't want to do this. And you're not going to do good at it. It's kind of like in sports and football, basketball. Those guys that really, really want to do that sport, you know, they become very good at being a football player, basketball player, or tennis player, hockey player, golf player, or whatever, because they really put their heart into doing it, and they become very successful in doing it. And the same way, it doesn't matter what you get into. If you want to be good, you have a passion for it, you'll be good at it. If you don't, you just won't, because, I can see when somebody come out and want to do lawn care and ask, a lot of times you'll know that they just need to make them some money, and they're really not into this, and it's a short term. You can already pick that up. You can see short term. I really want to do this. It's not what they really want to do. Because if they did, they'd put their all into it and be good at it. And that's in any business. Any business. A business can start failing. You start thinking about it. You're like, well, where did I make a mistake? And you got to say, reamp this and turn it around. But sometimes, if you don't put too much into it, you can't turn it around because you're too far gone. You don't waited too long to try to turn it around. But you got to catch it at the point where it starts failing and get it turned around then, because you don't want to get too far in debt, over debt. You don't put more money into it. You don't try this, you don't try that, and your business is not going to turn around. And you just keep trying stuff and it's not. No. You got to catch it at hand when things are just not going right. You know they're not going right, and it keeps happening over and over again. Now you got to put the brakes on and say, wait a minute. Let's just hold up on this. Hold up on this. And when you hold up, then you can fix the problem soon enough and get it reamped up to make it successful. Because you might be going out of business and somebody else is going into the same business that you're in, and they may succeed and you may not. And you wonder, well, why come they going into business and they're succeeding, and what did I do? Well, it wasn't nothing that you did. It's just that you kept doing the same old and wasn't becoming very successful with it. It was your method, your business method, or whatever you had on your team, or it just wasn't working for you. So then you got to reamp yourself and say, you know what, I'm gonna try something else different. And you have to go out there and do it and be creative in your business. You may have a totally different business than anybody else, and you may work it totally different than anybody else. Build a unique business for yourself that you feel comfortable in. Because some other guy, his business may be booming and doing all of this and have all the trucks and all this and that. That may not be meant for you. See, my business is totally different than anybody else, the way I run the whole operation. See, I do my stuff totally different to make me comfortable. Whatever makes me comfortable, that's what I'm gonna do. Not for somebody else. I'm not trying to be glorified, have all these bells and whistles. No. All that matters is that I'm comfortable and happy. That's all. And that's the same way with the videos. That's why when I do my videos are totally different than anybody else's. I'm gonna do them the way I want to do them, how I want to do them. That's because that's the part of being unique, and that's what I see in everybody else doing their videos the way they want to do them, not trying to copy what somebody else is doing, but doing them to suit them and that they're happy. And that's a lot of times people don't understand that, and they, a lot of people understand what's going on, and there's some that don't understand what's going on because they haven't reached that level of understanding. Be yourself. Don't be somebody else. You got to be yourself. You got to be who you are. You got to be the unique person that you were born to be. And that is being yourself. Be yourself. Don't be somebody else. Be yourself. Be happy within yourself. Be happy with what you do. Just be happy with it. And be happy for everybody else that's around you and whatever they're doing. Because if everybody was doing the same thing the same way, it become a very boring place. I mean, it wouldn't be no fun. Nobody wouldn't laugh because they would see the same thing day after day. Nothing to inspire them. It'd just be a boring place. It would just get old and tedious. But when you got something different and people working to be created within themselves, then you're gonna be thankful that they're creative and they're not boring. And that's the way it is. You got to be creative. And that's all I can say, creative video. You got to be thinking, well, what can I do next? What can I share? I can do that. Yeah, maybe I can do something like that. But the thing is, it's being creative within yourself. Create your business the way you want to create it. Create your life the way you want to create it. You know, and be happy with whatever you create. It doesn't matter whether someone likes or dislikes. It doesn't matter. Because you created it and you're thankful for it because you're here to create it. It doesn't matter. You know? But hopefully someone will like it. You're probably going to get more people that like you because you're being creative and you're doing something productive in life for yourself versus doing something negative and bad that's not helping you. Do something that's going to help you and keep a positive mind of thinking. That's what you want to do. Be creative. Think positive. Think that this is going to be a great year. And it can be. When you start bringing in your new year thinking negative, you just get negative all year long. Put some things up. Somebody will push you up. You know, the more you put up, the more you'll be pushed up. You know, you can down stuff all you want, but who's doing it? You are. They not. They don't know nothing about it. They don't know what's going on with you. But you're coming into the new year with a negative mind. Come in the new year with a positive mind of doing positive things, and you'll have a whole positive year, and you'll be very profitable within the year if you keep your mind positive. Keep that thought in mind. Stay positive all year. Stay positive that you can have a good positive year and things will prosper in your life for you. I mean, you're going to have a very prosperous life, but you got to start the year out right. If you start the year out wrong, oh, I don't like this. Oh, I dislike this. Oh, I don't want, oh. You're going to get that all year because you started your year wrong. Start your year like, yay, we can do this. We're going to have a good year. Be happy for your year. Like I say, have a happy new year. That's what you want to be looking at. Having a happy new year. That's right. That's what I'm planning on doing, having me a happy new year. You know, I ain't going to let nothing bother me. I ain't thinking about it. I'm thinking about just being happy. That's right. Because I'm happy right now. I'm happy to what? Be in 2019. Had a whole year. Some people didn't make it into 2019. You know? I didn't make it. But let bygones be bygones. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. I am here. So, hopefully, I'll get to see all of 19. And that's what you got to be thankful for. Thankful that you're here, so be happy. You done crossed over into another year. Anyway, y'all, I'm finna get out of here. I got some work to go do. I just wanted to share a little bit with y'all and wish everybody a happy new year. And I hope everyone, you know, had a good Christmas. But let's make this year happy. Let's make this a good year. All right, y'all take care. I'm out of here. Bye.